see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on the tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's zip.
How the hell? One. Excuse me, elimination's round one. We're well past one. So that girl didn't listen. She went the wrong way.
That was my fault. That's 100% me.
As I have talked to several people that told me how hard the drive-by wire is to get it to cut a good light versus the old-fashioned K-bar show.
Okay.
Oh.
See ya.
Old-fashioned cars. It's weird to say a 93 Mustang is old-fashioned.
Whiz up on a tight frame, all game, no shame. Baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Once again, I need my Suncoast Performance 860 Street Race class. Suncoast Performance 860 Street Race class. Met Finn and Chad Stevens. Stevens, the Thunderbird, he calls the Thunder Parrot. Out of Ontario, Canada, Jake side. Finn out of Kentucky, the 98.
Yard crews out on track, Bongan Jr., Adam LZ, Chelsea Nova. Nice little flick in. Such a sweet transition. Kevin Jr., they will see you. Bongan Jr., Adam LZ, Chelsea Nova. Yeah!
New 141. Gonna do a little bit of racetrack touch-up here.
So now I've been saying all weekend, those guys are awesome, right? They are the pinnacle of the sport. They're such humble and cool guys. But you know what? They all came from grassroots driven. They all started somewhere.
Katie Crew helping the homeless.
Well,
Hop in the trunk.
we were coming to get you guys.
All right, we're ready.
We're rolling out FBI style. Come on, Coons.
All right, we're ready.
Coons in the
Coons
back.
is on.
Where'd y'all take him?
To that hotel.
Hey, how's it going back there?
It's going.
Alright, so it definitely was not worth unhooking the trailer. Definitely was funny.
I thought that counts.
We didn't know y'all. Who? Anybody want to race a wagon?
I'm racing him. Holy shit.
Who's this guy?
Okay. Cool.
Fuck yes.
Hey, Lee. Left lane.
Getting this on camera.
Is that when the V lays down this hill, ain't nobody else gonna wanna fucking race it. It's a sandbag it.
She should.
Stop it. Get some help.